Meaning of garam masala.
Garam masala.
Garam masala.
Garam masala.
Garam masala. Garam masala is a blend of ground spices commonly used in Indian cuisine. The name translates to hot mixture and it typically contains cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, cumin, coriander, nutmeg, and black pepper. This unique spice blend adds warmth, depth, and complexity to dishes such as curries, soups, stews, and marinades. Garam masala can vary in ingredients and ratios depending on the region and individual preferences. It is often added towards the end of cooking to retain its full flavor and aroma. Overall, garam masala is a key ingredient in the bold and delicious flavors of Indian cuisine.